Question 4. DS. If a and b are positive integers, then what is the value of a to the power of b? Condition 1. b to the power of a is equal to 27. Condition 2. a to the power of 2 times b is equal to 729. Solution. Now we will solve this DS question using the variable approach. Revealed integers frequently appear on the GMAT. They usually appear in 50 to 51 difficulty level questions. To tackle this type of problem, it is important to find a hidden 1 as a factor. Let's apply the 3 steps suggested previously. Follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. We have to find the value of a to the power of b if a and b are positive integers. Follow the second and the third steps. From the original condition, we have 2 variables, a and b. To match the number of variables with the number of equations, we need 2 equations. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide 1 equation each, C is 70% likely to be the answer. Recall 3 principles. Choose C as the most likely answer. Let's take a look at conditions 1 and 2 together. Condition 1 tells us that b to the power of a is equal to 27, and condition 2 tells us that a to the power of 2 times b is equal to 729. Since b to the power of a is equal to 27, which is equal to 3 cubed, and a to the power of 2 times b is equal to 729, which is equal to 3 to the 6th power, which is equal to 3 to the power of 2 times 3, we must have a equals b equals 3. This answer is unique, so the conditions combined are sufficient according to CMT2, which states that there must be only one answer. So C seems to be the answer. However, since this is an integer question, which is one of the key question types, we should apply CMT4A, which states that if you get C as the answer too easily, you should also consider A or B as possible answers. You should remember that this is an integer question. Let's check each condition separately. Condition 1 tells us that b to the power of a is equal to 27, which is equal to 3 cubed, so a equals b equals 3. However, since 27 is a revealed integer, we should also look for a hidden 1. This gives us b to the power of a is equal to 27, which is equal to 27 to the 1st power. So a equals 1 and b equals 27. Thus, a to the power of b can be 3 cubed, which is equal to 27, or 1 to the power of 27, which is equal to 1, which is not unique. Don't forget the superiority of the hidden 1. The answer is not unique, so the condition is not sufficient by CMT2, which states that the number of answers must be 1. Condition 2 tells us that a to the power of 2 times b equals 729. This gives us a to the power of 2 times b, which is equal to a to the power of b squared, which is equal to 729, which is equal to 27 squared. And a to the power of b equals 27. This answer is unique, so the condition is sufficient. If both C and B appear to be possible answers, then B is always the answer rather than C, by the definition of DS questions. That's right, you should solve the question by using the variable approach and applying common mistake type 3 or 4 because this is an integer question. Condition 2 alone is sufficient. So, B is the correct answer. Answer: B.